Examinations. Okay, so what is the question number 2? This is our problem number 2. This is our problem number 2. Okay, what is given? So that with a zero rectangle, the specific cutting energy U naught. Okay, in the previous question, the specific energy represented by PS, but here it is going to use by U naught will be tau s 1 plus cot pi. Assume the theory of D and Schaeffer, that is pi plus lambda minus alpha is equal to pi by 4. Here tau s is the mean shear strength of the work material and pi is the shear plane angle. So what is given? Write down the equation. What is given? It is given in the problem that with a zero rectangle. Okay, so alpha is equal to 0. The specific cutting energy we have to prove tau s 1 plus cot pi, or we can say u naught by. So this is our fs, this is our fn, this angle is pi. So this angle is known as, this angle is known as, this angle is known as beta minus alpha. Clear? So one thing is completed. Now we'll have to use. Just change the color and start doing some work. Okay. So similar here, a specific energy tau s and fs is going to ask. So what we have to do? Just first thing, write the different equations. Okay. So we know that fs is equal to, I can write here from the merchant circle, fs is equal to r cos phi plus beta minus alpha, and fc is equal to r cos beta minus alpha. Now put the value of r in first equation, so it will become fs by fc is equal to cos of phi plus beta minus alpha over cos of beta minus alpha. Okay, so this is what we are going to use. Okay, so this is what we are going to use and we are going to describe this equation. So fs will become, so fs will become, fs is equal to fc cos of phi plus beta minus alpha over cos of beta minus alpha. Up to this point, I don't think so you have any kind of problem. So this is our equation number 1. Okay. Now come to in this point, if alpha is equal to 0 given hai, so we can use this space. So in this box, a fundamental concept, tan phi is equal to r cos alpha upon 1 minus r sin alpha. Because alpha is equal to 0, if I put alpha is equal to 0, so it will become tan phi is equal to r. Okay, this is very very important. If I will use, so we can use this equation in this formula. Now we know that tau s is equal to fs by bt into sin phi. Okay, so put the value of fs in this equation. So tau s is equal to fc by bt into cos of phi plus beta minus alpha upon cos of beta minus alpha into sin phi. Clear? Into sin phi. And this fc by bt, we know that This Fc by Bt is known as specific energy consumption. So I can write it here as a U. So it will become tau s is equal to U into cos of phi plus beta minus alpha over cos beta minus alpha into sin phi. Okay, the value of alpha is 0. So put the value of alpha is equal to 0. So alpha is equal to 0. If I am going to put alpha is equal to 0, it will become tau s by u, tau s by u is equal to cos of phi plus beta into sin phi over of cos beta over of cos beta equation. So it will becomes, it is okay. So first I will do here. So tau s by u is equal to cos of phi plus beta is equal to pi by 4. I put it down here, pi by 4 into sin phi over cos beta. Okay, but our answer is in phi. So replace this beta by phi. So how can write it? So I can write it is that beta is equal to pi by 4 minus phi. Yes, I can write it here, pi by 4 minus phi. Clear? एक चीज देखो आगे क्या है, यहाँ पर u नॉट बाई टाउ एस है, हमने क्या निकाला था टाउ एस बाई यू, तो हम इसको रिवर्स कर देते हैं। ठीक है, यहाँ से लाइन खींचते हैं, और यहाँ लिख देते हैं। हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं, इसको लिख चलते हैं इसके ऊपर। यहाँ पर ये आ जाएगा u बाई टाउ एस इज इक्वल टू कॉस पाई बाई 4 माइनस पाई अपॉन cos pi by 4 into sin pi. Clear? Okay. So now it becomes u naught. Why? Because I have put the conditions of alpha is equal to 0. So tau naught u naught by tau s. So u naught by tau s. So u naught upon tau s is equal to cos of a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b upon cos of pi by 4 into sin phi. Okay, so the value of cos pi by 4 and sin pi by 4 is equal cos 45 sin 45 की वैल्यू कितनी होती है 1 बाई रूट 2, जो दोनों की केस में बराबर होती है। अब मैं अलग अलग डिवाइड कर दूं तो क्या बन जाएगा, cos पाई बाई 4 इंटू कॉस फाई अपॉन cos पाई बाई 4 इंटू साइन फाई प्लस साइन पाई बाई 4 इंटू साइन फाई ओवर cos पाई बाई 4 इंटू साइन फाई। कैंसिल आउट, 1 बचेगा, ये से ये कैंसिल आउट हो गया। ठीक है, देखिए cos पाई बाई 4 से cos पाई बाई 4 कैंसिल आउट, साइन पाई बाई 4 cos पाई बाई 4 वैल्यू सेम होती, कैंसिल आउट, साइन से साइन गया, क्या बचा u नॉट बाई टाउ एस इज इक्वल टू cos अपॉन साइन cot फाई प्लस 1। यही तो प्रूफ था, हेंस प्रूफ। निकल के आ गया। करना क्या है, करना क्या है, जस्ट सिंपली मार्टिन सर्किल बनाया। ठीक है, रिलेशनशिप किसमें है, यू नॉट और टाउ एस में। यू नॉट का है स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी कंजम्पशन है, तो मैंने स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी कंजम्पशन के लिए फॉर्मूला लिखा, दैट इज एफ इज इक्वल टू आर कॉस फाइव प्लस बीटा माइनस अल्फा। ये कहाँ से आया, मार्टिन सर्किल से आया। एफ इज इक्वल टू आर कॉस बीटा माइनस अल्फा, ये कहाँ से आया, मार्टिन सर्किल से आया। हमने क्या किया, आर को रिप्लेस कर दिया